Welcome to Thailand Easy. This video is for those who are planning their trip to Thailand in 2022. Follow the step-by-step guide to find all the answers about your upcoming travel. Starting February 1st, 2022, Thailand will resume new application for the Test and Go program. In this program, the fully vaccinated travelers who are traveling by air from any country will not be required to undergo a mandatory quarantine. This makes Test and Go scheme the easiest way to enter Thailand at the moment. If you are not vaccinated, the only option to enter Thailand remains alternative quarantine. To know the details of the alternative quarantine plan, click on the link in the description below. From November 1st, Thailand has approved the following manufacturers and vaccine. Travelers should be vaccinated at least 14 days before traveling. Travelers must present the official COVID-19 vaccine certificate. Travelers who have recovered from being infected by COVID-19 are eligible if they have received one dose of an approved vaccine within 3 months after being infected by providing a medical certificate or letter confirming their recovery from the infection. Children under 18 years traveling with their parents or guardians are exempt from vaccination requirement. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. 𝐶𝐻 Extra Plus hotel reservation for Day 1 to wait the results of PCR test made upon arrival in the airport, and Day 5 of the travel to wait for their second RT-PCR test. At the time we making this video is per government announcement. Please be advised to avoid making hotel reservations through Booking.com as they do not fully comply with Thailand's entry regulations and may result in delayed consideration. Booking through a 𝐴𝐻𝐻 website is accepted. Use Thai Pass filter when making your booking. 𝐶𝐻 Extra Plus Hotels link through 𝐴𝐻𝐻 is in the description. Other option is making your hotel confirmation contacting the hotel directly through email. Find the link of the full list of 𝐶𝐻 Extra Plus hotels in the description. Confirm to RT-PCR tests. Everyone including infants must undergo the RT-PCR test. The first test will be taken at the airport upon arrival. If the test result is negative, then you are free to go. The second test will be conducted at the test center on the 5th day. For those who are planning to spend their first 5 nights in Phuket, you have to book both of your RT-PCR tests through the government website. You are able to select the second RT-PCR test center in the system. Find a link for Phuket RT-PCR test booking under this video. For travelers arriving to Bangkok, Samui or other destinations after you paid the booking, contact the hotel for arranging the payment link for your RT-PCR tests. Also confirm your 𝐶𝐻 Plus airport transfer. The regular taxi will not work. Note that the hotels for your Day 1 and Day 5 can be different, even located in different province. Then you will receive the hotel authorization that will allow you to apply for a Thai Pass. For travelers choosing Koh Samui as their Test and Go destination, you may either arrive to Samui International Airport with a direct international flight or international flight via Bangkok that must be connected with approved sealed flights on one ticket. Separate booking of domestic flight from Bangkok to Samui will not be accepted. Contact your flight company for arranging one joint ticket together with a special flight to Koh Samui. For those who plan to stay in Koh Phangan and Koh Tao, after arriving to Samui International Airport, you have to spend your first night in Koh Samui to wait for RT-PCR test. Step 2. Apply for a medical insurance. The mandatory COVID-19 insurance plan for foreigners should cover the traveler for a minimum of $50,000 for a full period of your staying in Thailand. You can get insurance policy approved by Thai government in less than 3 minutes and get insured by Allianz, Thun Protect or AXA. Approved by Thai government, will guarantee you no questions asked when applying for a Thai Pass. Find the link to your medical insurance in Thailand in the description below. Step 3. Apply for the Thai Pass. The Thailand Pass system is a free-of-charge web-based system. After you input personal details and uploaded the required documents, you receive a confirmation email within seconds after registration. Wait for the Thailand Pass approval within an hour or up to 7 days. You may apply for the Thailand Pass directly on the MFA website. Find the link in the description under this video. Step 4. Don't forget to make a PCR test not more than 72 hours before the departure. For kids 6 years old and below, it's not required. Step 5. Please like the video if you found this information useful. Join us in Telegram to ask questions about your travel. Subscribe to be updated on Thailand latest news. Thank you for watching.